This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making potstickers or Guōtiē or jiǎn. It's easier to make than it is to say.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
This is a quick and easy version of potstickers or Guōtiē or jiǎozi. This recipe makes quite a few dumplings. I'm going to freeze half of it and use the other half for my family's dinner. So, scale up or scale down this recipe according to your serving portions. I am using two types of wrappers from the supermarket to see if there's a difference. The standard yellowish alkaline wonton wrappers and the white non-alkaline type wrappers. There's also another white but thicker wrapper. That turned out to be really bad for this purpose. So, we'll just focus on the other two. We start with the pork filling. Finely chop 70 grams of cabbage. Add the cabbage to 500 grams of minced pork. Also add in spring onions, minced garlic and ginger, 1 teaspoon of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, some white pepper, 1 teaspoon of Chinese rice wine, half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Give it a good mix by stirring the meat in one direction. Add 1 tablespoon of water and keep stirring it in one direction. The meat should look pale and sticky when it's done. Most people seem to think that dumplings need to be very intricate and pretty. This is simply not true. I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to fold dumplings quickly. Fill the center of the wrapper with 1 teaspoon of pork. Wet the edges. Now fold it in half and pinch the top together. Make a 90-degree angle on the top and seal the edges. The second and prettier way to fold is again to wet the edges, fold it in half and pinch the top together. Push one end towards the top and make 2 corners. Fold the corner that's closer to you inwards and close off the other side. Do the same for the other end. I used to make 100 of these dumplings while sitting in front of the TV, or several hundreds of these together with my grandma's friends around the table. To store the dumplings, arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze them. When they are frozen, you can put them in a bag. They will keep in the freezer for up to 2 months. Okay, to cook the dumplings. First, to make the stock that will steam the dumplings and to form the skirt. In 250 ml of water or chicken stock, add 2 tablespoons of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of white rice wine vinegar, pinch of salt, and a pinch of sugar. Put 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium heat. When it's hot, arrange the dumplings in the pan. Leave some room between the dumplings as they will expand when they cook. When the dumplings develop a crispy bottom like this, pour the water or chicken stock into the pan and cover. The amount of water you use will depend on the size of your pan. You should aim for about 5 ml of water at the bottom of the pan. The dumplings will be done when all the liquid has evaporated and there's a crispy skirt. Serve these dumplings with a simple vinegar dipping sauce and chili oil. I'll leave the links to the vinegar dipping sauce and chili oil below. So, is the yellow wrappers or white wrappers better? Well, they both work just as well. The white wrappers are more moist, while the yellow wrappers are a bit chewy. But the difference is not great. Easy Chinese fried dumplings.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.